Your serene retreat awaits at 7914 Windham Lake Way. Imagine pulling up to this peaceful neighborhood after a long day. This home is your perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Step inside and be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The spacious layout is perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. The modern kitchen is equipped with everything you need to whip up delicious meals. Enjoy cooking in this comfortable and functional space. The two bedrooms offer cozy retreats for rest and relaxation. The 2.5 bathrooms ensure convenience for you and your guests. This charming home offers a perfect balance of comfort and convenience. The serene neighborhood provides a peaceful setting, while the modern amenities make daily life a breeze. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to make 7914 Windham Lake Way your new home. This property offers the perfect blend of tranquility and modern living. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and experience it for yourself.